Alright guys, we got the tire off here. We got this caliper and pads that we're replacing. They're pretty much shot, so we're gonna be replacing those now and kind of showing you step by step how to do it. A little bit more used to working on older vehicles, but this is a newer one, so we're gonna try it out and see how it goes. Alright, first thing you guys want to do is there's a bolt at the top here, and you follow it to the bottom, and there's one here. So those are the two first bolts that you're gonna take off, and then we'll show you from there. Alright, as you can see, these come loose real easily. Just want to take it out with your fingers and then get the bottom one.
You need a black ice in there is what you need.
Alright, so we got that top and bottom bolt out. This thing should pull, kind of just pull right out. Budge it a little bit. Just like that. You just want to pull the old pads off. Be pretty simple. Just like that, just pull the pads right off. Alright, the next one you want to get is, there's a bottom bolt there. It's right next to the last one you took off. And then this one right here. It's like a 19mm or something like that. So you just put it on there. Alright, this next part should just come right off. Alright, next part, something that's not usually on these older models is it has a small bit right here. It's a star bit, I don't know how well you can see that. And that's actually holding the rotor completely on. So you need to break that loose and the rotor comes right off. Alright, so we got this bit here. Stripped out pretty bad. We tried drilling it out and that didn't work. So we're gonna figure out how to get this out. It is pretty much shot. There's no threads left. We tried pounding in a bigger bit on it and that didn't work. So we're gonna figure out how to get this out. So some tap magic on there.
Yeah.
So this is the hole we drilled out. As you can see, it fits right into there. Drilled it right out. That's how you get it done. Alright, we got the old one out. We had to drill out that bolt in there. It's actually not necessary to be in there. It's just there for security. So we're not going to actually put that one back in. So. Alright, so we got this piece. Same way as you took it off. Put it back on. Like that, so it lines up with there. Alright, so just like so. Put that top bolt on, the big bolt. I'm going to get the one in the bottom too. Alright, I'm going to get the pads in there, obviously. Alright. Bigger one goes on the back. I'm going to have to shape this one. I guarantee we're going to have to shape this one. Alright, so obviously these slide in right into these retaining clips. Slides right in nice and fine. You have different ones for the back. The back has more of this flattened look. That one has a rounded look. Problem that we have with the back, I don't know if it's a common problem. This is just too tall to fit in there. It's not a big deal to shave it down, so we're going to shave it down. That way it slides in there because it just comes slightly right above there. So we're just going to slide that right in, and then we'll get that one on. But first we're going to grind it down. So we just kind of grinded that down a little bit, and the same on each end. That was kind of equal, and it's not a big deal to grind them down, and then it should just slide right in. Alright, so we got it all assembled now. We just need to put the tire on and then we're all set.